Hi all, welcome to Cook with Vidya. Today I'll be showing you how to make coconut pudding. So let's get started. Firstly, in a mixing bowl, add 2 tablespoons of corn flour and a quarter glass of coconut milk to it. Mix well and keep it aside for later. Heat a pan, pour a glass of coconut milk into it. Stir for a minute and add half a cup of sugar to it and stir continually. When it comes to a boil, add the corn flour mixture which we had prepared earlier. Stir well till it starts thickening. Pour it into a bowl and refrigerate it for at least 1 to 2 hours. Once refrigerated, demold the pudding. Our easy coconut pudding is ready to eat. Hope you liked my video. Do like, comment, share and subscribe.